Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you the recipe for maklube with chicken. It's a delicious Turkish main course. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please don't forget to press the like button, and to be informed about my new recipes, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, I take 3 cups of rice in a bowl. I add a full dessert spoon of salt and hot water on it. I keep it like this for about half an hour. I washed about 850 grams of chicken drumsticks well. I cut out the parts to be cut. Then I added water and added about 1 dessert spoon of salt. I add about a teaspoon of curry. I'm mixing it. It gives the chicken a nice smell and a good taste. But if you don't like it, you may not use it. I take the chicken to the stove. After it starts to boil, by closing the lid of the pan, I boil it on low heat until the chicken is soft. Meanwhile, I will prepare the vegetables. I have 2 eggplants. I peeled them speckled and I cut it into cubes as you can see in the video. I'm trying to cut them all to the same size. Then I keep it in salted water for about half an hour to release the bitterness. I peeled 1 medium-sized carrot. I wanted to slice it with shaped chopper. You can normally cut it. I sliced it into rings. Now I chop 2 medium-sized potatoes as you can see in the video. You can also cut them into cubes. My vegetables are ready. I will proceed to the frying process. I took 1.5 cups of oil into the pan. I dried the potatoes with a paper towel and I fry it in hot oil. It's enough to fry it until it turns slightly pink. I put the fried potatoes in a plate on a paper towel. Then I fry the carrots. I fry the carrots until they turn lightly pink. I put it on a plate on a paper towel. I did the same with the eggplants. I dried them first, then I fried them in hot oil and took them out on a paper towel. Our vegetables are ready. Meanwhile, the chicken was cooked and softened. I take it in a plate with a colander. I keep it aside to cool. I will clean it later. I also put the chicken's juice aside. I will use it while cooking rice. I do not use its skin. I'm picking out the chicken. Then I place it to the bottom of the pot that I will make my dish and straighten it with a spoon. I add the fried potatoes on it. I'm adjusting it. Then I add the carrots on it. I'm also adjusting the carrots. I place them towards the edges, because when I turn it, I want it to look colorful. I got my eggplants on it. I also straightened the eggplants. I took the pot to the stove now. I start to cook it on low heat. I wash the rice for 4 or 5 times. I take it into a strainer and drain it thoroughly. Then I add it on the vegetables on the stove. I straighten it with a spoon. I also strained the chicken stock that I have separated. We added salt while boiling the chicken. So I add just a little more salt, but not too much. I mixed it. I add 5 cups of chicken broth. My chicken broth is hot, by the way. If you don't want to use chicken broth, you can also use water, but that has to be hot. Then I close the lid of the pot. I keep it on high fire until it boils. After it starts to boil, I cook it on low heat until it completely absorbs the water. See, it completely drained. I dip a wooden spatula in the middle of it. As you can see, the maklube is cooked. The rice are sticking to the spatula. I cover a paper towel and I close the lid again and let it rest for about 20 minutes. At the end of 20 minutes, I open the lid and press on it with a spoon. I press on it nicely because I will turn it upside down. Then I turn it. Our delicious maklube is ready. I wanna serve it hot. It's very, very tasty. I strongly recommend you to try it. I'm sure you will like it very much when you try it. Our vegetables and chicken cooked very well, and the rice is so delicious. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.